Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Thinkorswim to Tradingview in 2026. For that, first of all, open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Tradingview. After logging in into your account, simply launch any of the charts in front of you. So once you have launched the chart, click on the option of the trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers that you can connect with your TradingView account. So we need to see whether Thinkorswim is available here or not. So after clicking on the show all brokers, use the search bar on the top right hand corner. And then you need to simply search for Thinkorswim. Now as you can see, Thinkorswim is not available here, which means that you can't directly connect it with your TradingView account like you do with the other brokers. So in this particular situation, you just have to simply open a new tab. Over here, simply search for trade.thinkorswim.com. Over here, it is going to show you the login page where you just have to log in with the help of your login credentials. After that, you can use TradingView for analysis, for charting, and when you have found your trade, you can just simply execute it on Thinkorswim. So this is the exact way as of right now of doing both of these together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.